Hello everybody, I'm going to show you now how to do the chickpea salad sandwich. So it's going to mock something like a chicken salad sandwich. You could, depending on the seasonings that you want to put in here, you can actually even kind of mock more of a tuna salad sandwich. So let's go ahead and go. So what I have here is a can of chickpeas. They've been rinsed and drained, and if you want, you can save the liquid inside of the can, and you can actually use that for something else. It's called aquafaba. And so if you're coming across any recipes that ask for aquafaba, that's what it is. It's the drained liquid from the chickpea can. So you want to drain the can of chickpeas, set the liquid aside, and then go ahead and rinse off the remaining chickpeas, and then go ahead. This is the easiest way I found to do it, is to put it in a pie tin, and then you just go ahead and crush them. How much crushed you want these is completely up to you. I know some people like to just give it a couple of crushes and then they're done. They actually like some of the whole peas still to be in there. That's not really my preferred method, but of course you can adjust however you want to. So I like to smash them all. Oops. Can be messy, watch out. If you're trying to escape the pod. Put a little bit of mashing. Oops. Wow, this is really getting away from me today. And that's pretty much it. So you have this, kind of mashed chickpeas. I'm going to add in chopped pickles. These are just dill pickles. If I had to guess, that's probably about 1/3 of a cup. I never measure. Sometimes more, sometimes less. Sometimes it depends on what I've got. So I like to put in pickles. Red onions, that's probably about a 1/2 cup. This is probably about 1/3 of a cup. And 1/2 cup of celery. Again, those are just more or less measurements. That was from 2 stalks of celery. So sometimes the stalks are longer, sometimes the stalks are shorter. It really just depends on how it comes out. After that, we just add in the mayo that we made earlier. Before I get to that step, I'm going to start with some seasonings here. I'm going to add some chicken flavoring so that it gets a little bit of that chicken flavor taste to it. This is where you could also add some sea kelps if you wanted it to taste more like, and that's obviously a generous amount. That's probably maybe a little under a tablespoon or so. Somewhere near a tablespoon, maybe a little bit less. Probably less. Maybe more like 2 teaspoons. Some fresh cracked pepper, and then we'll add our mayo into that. And this is the mayo that we all made together. And I'll mix mine up. But that should do it. We'll put our mayo right on top. Actually, that's probably more than enough. That probably takes 2 to 3 tablespoons. Again, all on how, your preference, whether you want it, not quite so much liquid, a little bit more liquid. But that is completely up to you. We mix that around. And that's it. So you could do your own vegan mayonnaise here. Of course, if you do the store-bought, it has the oils in it, so just be aware of that. Otherwise, you can do your own. We did the one here without, not with the cashews, but with the soy instead, the tofu, the blended tofu, and that came out just fine. I've also done the cashews. That's probably my favorite, but if you're trying to watch your fat intake, soy is a really good alternative, the tofu. All right, guys, that's it. That's our chicken salad sandwich.